How to lock Instagram application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily lock your Instagram using your Patreon lock. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your settings, and if you are using Samsung, so just click on this search icon at the top and just search in for the lock. So once you're inside here, just click on lock screen and make sure you have set it your Patron or your fingerprint. So as you can see, I've already set it my screen lock and with fingerprint as well. So make sure you do that. If you haven't set it already, you can set it up from over here. So once you do that, I want you to head over to Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded any of this application. And as you can see, I've already downloaded this app lock application. So once you download it successfully, just open the application and it will ask you to enter your master pin just like this. And if you want a fingerprint as well, you may want to click on S and just click on settings and click on settings once again, and make sure you have enabled this option called app lock, which will make your application lock. So, and you can also make sure you have successfully selected everything correctly over here. And once you do that, just click on app lock from over here and just click on this plus icon. And as I want to lock my Instagram, and once you click on Instagram, just click on plus icon, which will take you to this screen, and just click on OK, and you'll have to enable this option so that your settings will be completed just like this. And as you can see, my Instagram has been successfully logged. So now I will try to open my Instagram application once again. So as you can see, it will ask me for my fingerprint. So once I enable my fingerprint, it will automatically load my Instagram application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.